What's up, fellows? I'm Shop from Techy and I'm back with another PUBG video. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fly in PUBG Mobile. So, let's spread technology. As you can see, I'm in the PUBG Mobile training mode. So, first get the bombs, frag grenades. To get the frag grenades, go there. We will get the frag grenade from oops. Here. Take the frag grenade. So I've taken 3 frag grenades. We only just need 1 or 2. So first of all, first step is to turn it to low toss from high toss from here. So now cook this grenade, stand on it, jump like that. Like you can see, I was flying. See, like that. I can see the full scenery. Let me go to the top of this crane and then show you. You can skip this video also. Video means part. If you have seen my previous video, you can see it to how to get a ghillie suit, desert ghillie suit. It's in the I button in the top right corner. You can see. You know how to coin this crane. Take it. Oops, so we're timed out. Let me do it. I got 4 frag grenade. Glitch. Let's get to the top of this bunker. Here's the ghillie suit. Now we have the low toss from high toss. Cook the grenade. Just jump when it's 1 second left, like that. We can just fly up. Let me show you again. Take this frag grenade, cook. See. Okay, so we have to do this. Jump when 1 second's left, like that. That is how we can fly. So, thank you guys for watching. This was all for this video. Hope you liked this video. share it with your friends and family. And it was Rab from Techy Pizza signing off.